Oh! Sweet. What? All right. Hi, I'm Legend. Oh, want to work in my tiny workshop with me? Today we're going to make drumsticks because I love drumming. Did you know that drums have been around since prehistoric times? The first drum dates back to 5,500 BC in China, and they were made of alligator skins. Then over 7,000 years later, in the late 1800s, Edward D.D. Chandler, a New Orleans drummer, invented the first drum set. For the first time, he created a pedal for the bass drum, so he was free to use his hands to play the other drums, creating the first ever drum kit. At the start of all my workshop projects, I like to gather all my tools and materials so I can review everything I'm going to use. Drumsticks are long wooden mallets used to strike drums and other percussion instruments. I use them to jam out on my drum set. Let's rock and roll, baby! Whew, yeah. My toolbox holds all my special tools I'm going to use. Once I have my tools, I need to select the right kind of wood. We can use hickory, maple, or oak. I'll be using oak. I'm going to need a long and thick piece of wood. I have 3 sizes of wood: small, medium, and large. For this project, I'll use the large one. I'll need to cut it down with my handsaw. I want my piece of wood slightly larger than it needs to be for now, so I have room for errors. This is a file. I'm going to use it to start shaping out my drumsticks. Then I'll use my sandpaper to give the drumstick their final shape. Using a sanding block helps me hold the sandpaper better and give it a firm edge to sand. Now I have my drumsticks. I want them to be as smooth as possible, so I'll need to put a lacquer or varnish on them to seal and finish the wood. I play pretty hard on them, so I want to protect them as much as possible. Here's one of the drums I play on. That's a pretty sweet beat, Mike. My music is written out on paper called sheet music. All the black notes tell me what beats to play. I love music because it's a universal language. No matter where you're from or what language you may speak, musicians all over the world use sheet music to understand how to play the same song. When I'm playing, I have my drum stool at the perfect height to reach all my drums and foot pedals. I like to practice every day. Gotta keep my rhythm up. I even have gel filters to cover my lights to make me feel like I'm on stage. Then I can really rock out. Whew. Now that our project is complete, let's get all our gear packed up. Joke time while we clean time. How can you tell a drummer's at the door? The knocking speeds up. Okay, it's time for the show. Let's watch together. Oh. Oh! Sweet. What? All right. Let's rock and roll, baby! Whew, yeah. Huh? Okay, see you next time for another Benny's Mini World Tiny Workshop project. Don't forget to subscribe! Thanks for watching!